Hello guys, welcome. My name is Fetuga Majid. Basically, I just want to show you a question was thrown at me on a WhatsApp chat, so that what is carousel ads in Facebook and how important it is it? So I've actually answered the person just had with scrolling images of products and what have you. But I decided that let me take a step further and show you step by step how you can create this. Perchance you have varieties of products that you really want to run your ads, and you want your Facebook to get the most converting one, the most proven one, to test some results and what have you. I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually get this done. Okay. Basically, let me start from the beginning. Of course, you have to go to your business.facebook.com. That is the basic, that is the beginning of this. And I've actually created a tutorial account for these, and that is the one I created, agency account. That is for the tutorial, and I've decided to be using that for virtually all my tutorials. So it is not funded, so I'm not client marketing. That's the ad account. Like I've always been saying, probably I should take my time to go back to the basic. Your Facebook is your normal Facebook social media channel, and we then have business.facebook.com. That is your business ad account. That is the back end of your normal social media channel. So the first thing you need to know or create is your Facebook page, and once you've created your Facebook page, you need to create your ad account. And I've told you that it's from the ad account that you will fund your campaign. Okay, so we have a business.facebook.com. I just need to keep doing this so that most people just get into this stage will be able to say, okay, this is where we've started. There are tons of videos I've done on that. This is where we've started, then this is where we are. So from your business.facebook.com, you create your ads account. Okay, and of course you can actually start with creating your page. If you've not created your page from your normal facebook.com. Okay, so you can create your ad account, you fund your ad account, and then you use your ad account to run your campaign on your Facebook page. And the aim of this tutorial is to look at carousel ads and how you can actually set it up. So the first thing I'm going to come, once you get your ad account, you just need to create a campaign. Now the first thing you should note is this. You can take any of these objectives. You can virtually take any of these objectives. The objective that will not have carousel ads in it are just few. Okay, probably the videos, the apps, and what have you. So majorly you can take any of these objectives. But if you are actually looking at carousel ads and the product has been linked, probably you have an e-commerce store and your product has been linked, the best practice is to actually reach out to so many people. Or then you can also test making more impression. Okay, probably you are selling some product and you want that product to get to the mindset, to the subconscious mindset of your prospect, of so many people. So you can actually choose brand awareness. Okay, your product is going to go live and people can see the product more than one or two, three, four, 5 times as individual brand awareness. That is impression. However, if you are actually running your campaign for reach, it means that it's going to reach out to individual person at a large scale. Either of the two, you just need to test to see what is actually going to work for you. The rule is very straightforward. You don't know what will work for you until you test. So you are going to test based on what you are going to test the objective, and you see what actually works for you, and that is when you can now say, okay, I'm using this model to run my marketing or thereabout. But for carousel, I'm going to just show you. So I'm going to pick reach as a campaign objective. I want to reach out to so many people. I've just imported probably some products from China or any other countries, probably UK and what have you, and I really want to reach out to so many people. So I've picked reach as my objectives, and I'll say probably the product as laptop, any other product, anything valuable that you can actually offer people to see. So let's just say laptop ads. Let me just use that. Of course it's not going to run, so I'm just I've not actually created the main account, so I just need to just pick this. Now, so I'm going to take the name of the ad sets. Now again, the campaign, the level of the level of order is campaign, ad sets, then ads. So the issue of carousel images, that scrolling images of different product or even the same product, different shots of the same product or different products. So you actually need to do that on these ad sets, on this ad level. So on the ad set, I'm going to give it laptop ads. So I have to pick a page. Let me pick my page. That is my name, and I run digital marketing solution. I build websites. I have tons of tutorials valuable for young guys to actually grab some skills and improve themselves. Okay, and I run marketing solution. Most of my job for now basically organic, remote, and whatever. So good. You pick your location, so I'm not going to touch any of those things. You pick the daily amount that you really want to spend. Okay, this is the amount to spend a week. Okay, you have to do your calculations. You just press continue. Now we need to now look at where the carousel ads actually comes in. Now let me just give this ad name. So it's laptop ads. Okay, so then this is a page. The page is actually, my Facebook page is actually connected with my Instagram page. So as I'm running the campaign on Facebook, it's actually going to be also running on Instagram, because I've actually connected the two accounts. I've done videos on that, how you can actually connect your Instagram with your Facebook and you run your campaign on either your Instagram or on Facebook. Okay, so here is where the choice of carousel comes in. You pick carousel, okay, and these are two or more scrollable images or videos of different products or the same products, as the case may be. Okay, so let's look at the example here. You will see, so these are products available. Let's just say we have 4 products that we want to put online. Okay, and it's going to come up like this. You can actually scroll, and let us just pick the first product. The first product, select image. Okay, you can upload. Let me come to let me upload. Okay, let me upload. I'm uploading this product. I think I have this already on. Okay, you have to note this instruction. Some of the images may not fit in other ratios, other feeds of Facebook. Okay, you have to actually take note of that. The image should be at least 1,600 and something above. So you just need to note that. So this is the first image I've selected. Continue. So for that image, for this first image, now this first image, I'm going to put in the header. I'm going to put the head, which is HP Elite Pro 830. Okay, some description about the products. Okay, and the link to where they can actually order the products, probably your e-commerce store or any link. Even it can be your WhatsApp link. HTTP okay wa.me/plus your phone number, your country phone number. You can just put the number there. That is just a random number. I don't think it will go. So it's going to, the link will be available. Somebody can actually click through, okay, and it's going to go. So then once you are through with this, these are also linked to the page. If you have the products, you can put in information about the products. That one will be up here about the products, and you can put the call to action button, book now, buy now, anything, I don't know, learn more, call now, contact, download, and others, get quotation, save, shop now. Okay, I said buy now, shop now, and there are so much. Okay, send us WhatsApp message, and there are so many. Okay, my page is already connected to WhatsApp, and this is what is going to happen. Of course, there is another condition. For you to say send WhatsApp message, it means you must have connected your page, your Facebook page, with WhatsApp, which is what I've done actually. Okay, and that is, I've done several other tutorials on that. I've connected my page with my Instagram, connected my page with my WhatsApp and what have you. And so it's more or less integration of your tools. Okay, so I've done the first page. I can just go to the second image. I select, I pick, okay, I put in information as I deem fit, and it's going to come up like this too. The title, I will have to put the title, the heading, the description. Probably that one is a shoe. I cannot say shoe, big man shoe. So anything, any image that you actually put there, and these are how you create your carousel images, and it's going to come up. People can actually scroll and see these products. Any of the products they can click on. They can click on any of the products. They can actually click on the products, the link, and it's going to go through your any location you've actually chosen. It is easy to set it up. It is easy to set it up, and you just need to work on your images and give the description of each image to what you really want it to be. And once you are through with this, okay, I know that. So once you are through with that, you just need to come to this bottom, probably and you click confirm. This is as a result of the other account I created. I have not authorized my Instagram on it. Okay, so once I'm through with all those, I'll just click confirm. And if the content is good and has nothing against the Facebook policy, is going to go, and people would be able to see your product and people will resonate with it. I only just I only just advise that you should have enough volume, because it's going to go wide, it's going to go viral, because this would go throughout Nigeria. This I selected Nigeria, yes. Okay, so it means it's going to go across the whole nation, so they can make order from any place from this in the country, and you have to work with your logistics in order to fulfill the orders, and that is how carousel image works. If you found some value from this video, I beg of you to give it a thumbs up and share. Of course, I have tons of videos on Facebook ads for marketers, for young startups, so that you can actually improve your marketing reach and you can promote your business. If you found some value, please share this video and let it go viral. If you are new to this channel, I have tons of videos. I upload videos and I answer questions. If you have any questions, please feel free to just chat me up. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. I'll be coming up with another tutorial explaining some important aspects of Facebook as a marketing tool next week, and I wish you all the best. Bye.